Hey everyone, we are repairing my Quickmill espresso machine. Yes, it becomes a big mess. So let me go over to the bench and I'll show you what was wrong. Okay, here we go. Now, this is on an espresso machine called a Lanze, I believe. This Lanze, it was leaking right through here. This O-ring that was on the bottom looked like that. Yeah, this O-ring here is for that check ball. Now, there was an O-ring for the valve also. It is right here. You can see on the valve all the black. This O-ring is rotted also. Let me throw that other one up here too. Those are pretty bad. O-rings are consumable items. I don't expect them to last forever. I've been very, very happy with this Quickmill espresso machine. Let me hold the check ball up here so you can see all the... Ooh, that almost went to the 20th dimension. So that check ball's got O-ring, rotted O-ring. So, but these are not that difficult to take apart and service. So you've got your valve. It'll have an O-ring right there, and that'll drop in there. And that valve rides into that little nub right there. So when you put it in, you got to make sure it goes right into there. So when you rotate this, you can move that valve. Okay, another thing to check for is there's a little rubber flap check valve in there. Okay, so yeah, you'll see a little scars on there because I had to put it in the vise to get these fittings off. But that'll go in like that. You will stick your Lanze in like that. Then you'll drop your check ball in there. Your spring. There you go. And that is your assembly. So when you do your steam and frothing, you can go there. But if this is leaking, you will lose pressure on your portafilter. So you won't get a good extraction of your coffee. So you'll be leaking pressure right through there into the waste chamber, into the tank. So I hope this is informative. So anybody with a Quickmill espresso machine and they are having pressure issues or are leaking from the Lanze, you can repair it. And I will link to my blog with the O-ring sizes because I looked everywhere and I could not find the sizes of O-rings, and I was just going through my O-rings here and I had one out of my airplane kit and it was a perfect fit for the Lanze up there. So I will get this back together. I also had the reason why I tore this espresso machine down was this was leaking slightly, and a solder connection, you'll see on another video, on the potentiometer for adjusting the grind was bad from the factory, and so I have to resolder that, or I'm actually just going to replace the potentiometer because the potentiometer knob is broken. So we'll catch y'all another time. Hope this video is informative. This is how you fix your Quickmill espresso machine. I will get the information, like I said, on my blog. My blog might be down for a few days because I am switching hosts, switching servers. So just keep checking back. Have a good day.